Imagine uploading your video in English and suddenly people in Mexico, Brazil, or even Japan can watch it in their own language, with AI automatically doubling your voice. Sounds like magic, right? Well, YouTube just added this new feature and it's called automatic doubling, and it could completely change how far your videos reach. But here is the question, like, should you actually enable it, or could it hurt your channel? In this video, I'll be discussing both the pros and the cons of enabling this on your channel. And also at the end of the video, I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to enable I'm going to take you to your YouTube studio and show you how to enable YouTube automatic doubling. Okay, so let's get straight into the video. Hey creators, welcome back to the Creative Susan's YouTube channel, the place where you talk about YouTube growth, hidden updates, and tips to make your channel stand out. Okay, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on these games changing strategies. Okay, so here is my experience. Okay, I first saw this new option in my advanced setting. There is where I saw this option, and it's called allow automatic doubling, and they said I was eligible to enable it. So at first I ignored it completely, but then curiosity got me. I switched it on, and guess what? YouTube actually created dubbed version of my video both in Spanish, in Hindi, and other languages. Suddenly I started getting comments from people who didn't even speak English, and I had to use ChatGPT to translate them into English to actually respond to them. So I realized some changes. Okay, so I want to tell you how it works now. Here is how this automatic doubling works. YouTube actually detects your original language. As I'm speaking now, I'm speaking in English, so YouTube detects that. Then it automatically generates dubbed audio tracks in other supported languages, okay, so that viewers can actually switch between the original and the dubbed audio in the settings while watching your video. Okay, now this sounds amazing because it will enable you to reach a global audience, but it sounds amazing, but it comes with its own pros and cons. So let's talk about the benefits first. Okay, this will actually enable you to like reach people. Okay, the biggest benefit is global reach, because people who normally skip your videos because it's in English can now watch it in their own language. It's also completely free, and you don't need to hire a voice actors or pay for expensive translation devices. Okay, and it's a great way to test new markets, okay, to know what works. If your Spanish dub gets lots of views, maybe you've discovered a whole new audience. Okay, so this is one of, like, these are some of the biggest benefits of turning this thing this automatic dub on. And let's talk about the cons now. Let's talk about the downsides of turning this enabling this automatic doubling. Okay, the voices, one of them is that the voices can sound robotic with little emotions. Okay, sometimes the translation isn't perfect, and if your content is very emotional, okay, if you do vlog and the rest, or personality driven, the dub may not capture your style. Also, if the dubbed version performs poorly, like viewers click off early, it could send a bad signal to YouTube algorithm. So should you enable it? So let's take you to how to enable it. Like, after considering the pros and cons, and if you want to enable it, let me give you my advice. You should enable it if you make educational or tutorial videos. Absolutely turn it on and see what happens. If you make entertainment or storytelling videos, you have to be cautious. Use this option that lets you review dubs before publishing, so you have control, okay? So that if you don't get what you want, you turn it off. And always check your analytics. If the dubbed versions boost your views, keep them on. If it does not, disable them. So let's go over to the step on how you're going to enable it in your YouTube studio. Okay, so I'm going to turn over to the other side of my screen and actually show you a step-by-step guide on how you're going to enable it from your YouTube studio. Okay, so to enable automatic dubbing on your phone, all you have to do is to head over to your YouTube studio. So here is the interface of mine. So when you get here, you scroll down. Let me zoom it out. You scroll down. Okay, this is the top. So you scroll down and you see the settings icon here. You tap on it, then it's going to open. So after you've opened your settings, you're going to see general channel upload defaults. Okay, you tap on there. So when you're on upload defaults, you click on advanced settings. Okay, so after clicking on advanced settings, you're going to see some options here. So just scroll down. So here is automatic dubbing. It says automatically translate your audio tracks into different languages and add them to your video. So as you can see, I have allowed mine. I've clicked on allow automatic dubbing. So this one, the second option there is manually review dubs before publishing. Like this option now, if you want to review it, okay, let me say for example they translated your video to Spanish. If you want to review how it looks like before you allow publish on each of your video, like anytime you want to upload, you're going to review it manually, you can use the second option. But if you want to allow it automatically and let it publish by itself like that, you choose on the first option that I just did. And after that, you will scroll down here. Like, let me just uncheck this and check it back again. Okay, so you're going to see this option to save. Okay, you tap on save, and remember, after clicking on it, always tap on save. All right, so that's just how to do it. If this video helped, smash that like button so more creators find it. Drop a comment with the country you'd love your videos to be dubbed into, and subscribe for more YouTube updates that no one else is talking about. Remember, YouTube isn't just about uploading videos. Anyone can upload videos, okay? It's about breaking barriers. Yes, those barriers that are making you not to make enough money on YouTube or not to get the views your channel deserves. Is about breaking those barriers, and automatic doubling could be your key to global reach, okay? So enable it on your channel, and let's see. Drop a comment below and see if these settings actually worked for you or not. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you and bye for now.